Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Vincent Tan speaking. This time, I'm going to share you the introduction about condensing unit. We call it Unix. Meanwhile, I also provide the corresponding videos linkages at the below description area just for your reference. This sharing device into these 5 parts. Moreover, I also provide the correct subtitle. Don't forget to turn it on if you need. What is Unix? The first feature, it is all DC inverter, means not only the compressor but also the outdoor fan is DC inverter, and then it is side discharge. Just compare with the traditional torque discharge, it can save lots of the installation space. Moreover, the capacity range is from 2 ton to 5 ton, and this Unix apply the 24-volt thermostat communication, means it accept all third-party indoor unit and the thermostat. And the outdoor unit and indoor unit, there's no communication wires. All the communication is to the thermostat. So in these two diagram, you can find it. This is also outdoor unit. It can accept any third party, the thermostat or the AHU, and also it can be a coil, which is together with a blower or a furnace. Line is the product line up of the Unix 18, also called A series. It is on the rebate list. And here is the models. From here you can find it. This one, it is 3 ton and 2 ton, and this is 5 ton and 4 ton. So this W is outdoor unit. A means A series, and D means the power supply. Basically, Toso provide two models, which is 2 to 3 ton and 5 to 4 ton. You can identify from the number. Meanwhile, the indoor unit, it is AHU. Also, together with the outdoor unit, they are on the rebate list. And this H means it is the maximum ESP. We can reach 1 inch water gauge. And the refrigerant we apply, it is R14A. Power supply is single phase 200. This table is the D series product line gap, and also from this table you can find that there are more family members, right? And also from the outdoor unit there are 4 cases, and indoor unit there are 3 cases. From the model you can find that here the D means the D series, and for the other information they are similar. And on the other hand, as the D series, we apply the SEER2 and also HSPF2 to rate it its performance. Just pay attention, here is a little bit different. As for the other information, they are also very similar to previous A series. For the Unix outdoor unit, it is available to connect only the A coil. As for the fan, relies on the either blower or the furnace. And this table displays the combination between this A coil to the Unix 18, and also it can available to connect with Unix 16. Toso only provides 2 cases, 2 to 3 ton or 4 to 5 ton, and depends on the air volume, how much it can provide. We have a recommendation. Just follow this one to select the best option. It's okay. This slide displays the operating range. For the outdoor ambient temperature, in cooling mode, the lower limit is the same between the Unix 16 and Unix 18, but the upper limit, Unix 18 is 6 degrees higher. As for the heating, this time the upper limit is the same, but the lower limit, Unix 16 only to -15, but Unix 18 can as low as -30. And also for the Unix 18, the 2 ton can maintain 100% capacity at -20 degrees. As for the power supply, it is the same single phase plus minus 10% of the rated wattage. Slim design. For Unix, all series is side discharge, so compared with the traditional toe discharge, the space, the footprint is much smaller. Besides, as we adopt the side discharge, for the installation methods, you can have lots of the options. Besides, just put it on the ground, you can also hang the auto unit on the wall, just like this. That's all for this sharing. If you still have any other question, feel free to contact me on my email address. Hasta la próxima. それではまた今度。